How to turn off message request in UpScrolled. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want a little extra privacy or simply prefer not to receive messages requests from others on UpScrolled, then it is super easy to control who can contact you. First of all, open the UpScrolled application on your device and log into your account. From the home page of UpScrolled, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're inside your profile section, click on the gear button. Once you're inside the settings menu that appears on the screen, click on Message Request under Preferences. Under Message Request, select whether you'd want to turn off the message request or if you want to receive the request from everyone. To turn off the message request, simply tap on Off. Soon after you tap Off, this will save the change and you'll be able to turn off the message request on UpScrolled. Now your inbox is calmer, clean, and totally under your control. You can always switch on the message request option from the same menu by repeating the step and just tapping on everyone again. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.